Safe Drive Systems prides itself in providing the best professional service to its customers. It is important that the technician is punctual upon arrival, and presents themselves in a professional manner. That includes having all equipment and information available on hand prior to commencement. After greeting the customer, it is important for the technician to give a general overview of the installation process and be prepared to answer any questions they may have. It's important to show the customer the contents of the box. The RD140 and the RDR come in the same box. The system consists of the mounting bracket for the radar, the radar unit, the ECU, or electronic control unit, the camera and camera cable, which are attached, the radar cable, the power cables, the dashboard display, and the speaker with the various nuts and bolts inside. Prior to the removal of the front bumper, the technician identifies the best position to allow unobstructed radar view. This includes ensuring that there is ample space available for the radar mounting plate, and the radar mounting bracket. After removal of the front bumper, the technician identifies the best type of mounting bracket that will meet the needs of the particular vehicle and the radar placement. The technician must confirm measurement prior to mounting the bracket. After confirmation, the technician can then secure the radar mounting bracket in place, ensuring that it is mounted firmly with zero movement. The technician can then mount the radar mounting plate in the position that was previously measured to allow unobstructed radar view when the bumper is replaced. The radar mounting bracket comes with 3 long screws and 3 plastic adapters. We only screw into one of the screw posts on the top row and into both posts on the bottom row, always leaving one empty. Then push down the plastic adapters on top of each screw until you hear a slight snap, indicating they are correctly in place. Then, push the radar onto the adapters with a gentle push which will set it in place. Afterward, adjust the screws to ensure the radar is both vertically and horizontally level. Once the radar is mounted, it needs to be calibrated to ensure that it is level, both vertically and horizontally. This process starts by measuring from the ground up to the center of the reflective mirror found on the radar and by measuring the radar's position in reference to vehicle width. Once these 2 measurements have been obtained, a laser and tripod is placed in front of the vehicle no less than 10 feet away. Using the previous measurements, the laser is placed directly pointing towards the reflective mirror on the radar. By adjusting the radar screws, the technician must ensure the beam reflects directly back upon itself. Once this is accomplished, the radar is deemed 100% level. Before starting the camera installation, make sure the vehicle is on a flat surface with no side or forward slope. Clean the intended mounting location on the windshield using a surface cleaner to remove oily or other remains, then thoroughly wipe dry. The camera unit should preferably be placed at the top of the windshield, approximately at the center of the vehicle widthwise. There should be no occlusions such as stickers or darkened windshield areas in front of the camera unit. Remove the protective covering from the adhesive tape, position appropriately and press firmly onto windshield. After cables have been correctly routed through and all connections are appropriately made, the technician should follow the procedures for radar and camera software calibration. Each of these processes can be found in the installation manual and accompanying videos. Once software setup and calibration is complete, the technician can then replace all removed panels for cable access and replace front bumper. Technicians must ensure that all trash has been removed and that the vehicle is back to its original condition prior to test drive. The technician must ensure that the lane deviation camera activates on the left and right lane markers. A single green LED indicates that no vehicle is within radar range. Full green LEDs indicate the radar has identified a vehicle within safe stopping distance. Full amber LEDs indicate vehicle is approaching an unsafe distance from the vehicle ahead. Full red LEDs and one loud beep indicate a dangerous distance from the vehicle ahead, while blinking red LEDs and 8 beeps indicate a risk of collision. LEDs revert back to green indicating safe distance once again between vehicles.